A summary of the second act of William Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. In scene 1, Romeo hides from his friends as they leave the Capulet masquerade ball as Benvolio jokes to Mercutio, "Blind is his love, and best befits the dark," poking fun at Romeo's obsession with Rosaline. In scene 2, Romeo, at first hidden from view, listens to Juliet as she ponders her love for him. It is in this scene Juliet speaks the famous line, "O Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art thou, Romeo?" Meaning not, "Where are you, Romeo?" but "Why are you, Romeo?" She feels Romeo is perfect, but acknowledges the impossibility of a relationship with him given their familial ties. At this, Romeo reveals himself to Juliet, and confessing their love for one another, they hastily agree they should get married and arrange for Juliet's nurse, who is her closest ally, to be their messenger the following day. In scene 3, we are introduced to Friar Lawrence, a respected priest in Verona. Romeo visits him and confesses he has forgotten Rosaline and fallen for Juliet, to which Friar Lawrence responds, "Young men's love then lies not truly in their hearts, but in their eyes." Still, despite this, he agrees to marry the pair in secret, believing their marriage may bring peace to Verona. In scene 4, Mercutio and Benvolio discuss Tybalt's challenge to Romeo for his trespass of the Capulet ball. While they discuss this, Romeo rejoins his friends and the nurse visits him, asking his intentions for Juliet. He tells her that he's organized for them to be married that very afternoon. In scene 5, the nurse plays coy with Juliet, but eventually tells her of Romeo's exciting news. Finally, scene 6 sees Romeo and Juliet married by Friar Lawrence, with only the nurse in attendance. A secret event indeed. Act 2, while lacking in action or intensity, is an important one because it sets the scene for the climax of the play in Act 3. Act 2 further represents Romeo's impulsivity in both his complete disregard for Rosaline, the woman he has been pining over for some time now, and in his hastily organized marriage plans. Also, we as an audience gain further insight into Juliet's desperation to escape the patriarchal constraints of her familial obligations. This is symbolized best perhaps in her culturally inappropriate proposal of marriage to Romeo. So, I leave you to ponder this. Why would Juliet's proposal of marriage to Romeo be considered culturally inappropriate?